Here we are at Rock and Roller Coaster. We haven't found anybody what we've been looking for. No Tim Tracker, but there's another single rider line. Let's get in line and find out what happens. Single rider line currently closed. Yeah. It's open now. Let's go. Looks like we're going inside. These are very kinks. That's cool. There we go.
Welcome to Studio C. Please continue moving all the way to the left, filling in all available space. We are inside. You are required to wear your face masks at all times, please. No flash photography is allowed in the studio. And please no climbing on the silver handrails in the front and back.
Company. Wow. All right.
Two people.
All right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey.
What's that?
Hey, how you guys still doing here? You were supposed to be at a show. Where now?
I'd like to introduce our lovely manager.
She's not like this.
Yes, she's never worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Chris, can you grab my park list, Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. What? We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
Oh,
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
How about some backstage passes?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah.
Come on. Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
See ya. Have a nice ride.
Bye, salads me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great.
Congrats on those backstage passes. VIPs continue all the way into the next room, filling in all available space. Do not stop and stare to look at the LA traffic. Please continue to move all the way forward.
Your safety, build up
The last row. Oh my goodness.
looks and clicks. Keep your head against the headrest and remain seated with your hands
Sorry,
over
I
and
apologize.
legs inside. Put any loose items on the floor and be sure to watch your kids.
That hurt.
We're ready to rock. Entonces, por su seguridad, tírenme la barra.
Are you ready to rock?
Mantengan la cabeza
I'm scared.
sobre sus cabezas y
Is there anything I should be scared about?
las manos, brazos,
have you been on
pies
this
y demás dentro de la limusina.
No, there's the
Así
upside
pueden
down.
colocar sus
What?
restos.
Wow. You guys, if you blink, you missed it. You didn't blink, did you? Then you might have missed it. It's not because it was so it's getting so bad.